All right, so I got this gift from Gary. It is a toy drone that he found on one of those Facebook ads. And we'll find out today, will it work for real estate? All right, so we're here at the Silos in Gilbert, Arizona. Beautiful, beautiful scenery. These clouds are amazing. And also right over here is a beautiful lake. So we're gonna make sure that we get an awesome drone footage with this drone and see, will it work for real estate? Let's take it up. Jeez.
I was running. Run. Run.
All right. The answer, an absolute, unequivocal, no way in hell is this drone okay for real estate.
Run.
I don't even know where my camera is. It's way over there. That's an absolute no on if it's okay for real estate. I mean, I almost landed on top of real estate